Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious steak quesadillas that you can make in under 15 minutes. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by cooking our steak. Set your pan over medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add 2 pounds of flank or skirt steak. We're going to season it with our seasoning. And along with that, our 2 minced garlic cloves. Now just mix it and allow it to cook for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add the minced onion and jalapeno. And I'm also going to be adding whole jalapeños and cebollitas. We're just going to mix it and allow the steak to cook. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our steak should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. And here you also want to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. But just like that, we have our steak done. So now we can get ready to put our quesadillas together. Alrighty guys, now that we have our steak, we're just going to heat up our comal over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, add your flour tortilla and top it with cheese. I'm using queso Oaxaca. We're just going to allow that cheese to begin to melt. Once the cheese has melted, it's going to add our steak. And here I'm going to top it with my guacamole and sour cream. Now we can just cover it. And just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These quesadillas here are seriously my go-to. They're super easy to make, they're so delicious, and honestly, super delicious. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The steak, super flavorful. And of course you can always top it with your favorite toppings or just leave it how it is. But you won't regret it. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super quick and easy steak quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.